Alright folks, sorry, I was briefly distracted by some people passing by in the street. Okay, I mean, not my usual, but hey, alagia to malagia, I can settle for that. They're not sticky. They seem actually quite soft. Oh, this first one. So, what type of adjustment can I make for the next one, for the next batch? Definitely reduce temperature as of now. That's what I'm working on here. Want me to flip it? Haha. Haha. Now flip it. I don't know about this one and my ability to flip it. Did you see that? Did you? Did you see that? I'm not sure if you captured that. So let's go try again. I'm trying to flip it for the second time on that video. Ready? Yeah, did you see that? I'm not sure if I actually record that, but in any case, it's doable. Okay, let me try to reduce the intensity really further without turning the scene off because that has been my struggle. Okay, I think we can work with that. Okay, so we would like to see, just to flip it again. Okay, so we missed that. That was weak. That was weak flipping, my friend. It works better in the other direction because right now you are just messing it up. Okay, so it works better in the other direction. No time wasting here. It's about, I still have 30 minutes before my guests come in, so what's about to take place here is I'm going to taste this one, my friend. So I'm going to put it on the plate. There we go. Then prepare the next one. You see this process. As long as it doesn't tick, it's better if I can show the camera here. Okay. And the technique is such that what's the opening? The small opening is here, so I'm just gonna pour some. Okay. I think maybe now we can actually increase. Oops, that was too much. That was too much, my son. That was too much soft. I'm just watching. Here's a view of my kitchen. This is a view of Bonamu Sadi on Sunday, March the 8th, 2020. It's around 2:30 p.m. le 8 mars 2020, Journée internationale de la femme. Ah ouais. Well, at least I have great signal here with all of those antennas nearby. Okay, back to my crepe. definitely uneven. The pan is not smooth on the bottom. Okay, folks, we're gonna just let it do its thing. So, are you courageous to delight in this one? All I'm gonna have is with, as of now, nothing. So, in terms of the toppings, what toppings we have? So, I think whatever's left on the tartine, the ingredients of Nutella, if you will. But I think I'm going to delight in some mango juice or whatever mango flavor that I could have. These actually are something that could also go with that, but they are quite expensive, so I don't want to waste them. Those are called prunes. Yes, in case you do not know about them, so you don't have to know about them. Just okay. One last take a look here. Okay, let's the chef taste its little achievement. Okay, so bon appetit to me. A lot of sugar. Actually, very interesting. Very interesting. In the sense that they're not bad. No. They're just slightly different than on the other side of the bun. Okay, we need to reduce this because this is just too much. And this is what happens when you're on the camera. Okay, I'm gonna leave it at that. I have a guest coming over. That's why I'm making this. Well, a guest. Somebody who's coming over with his fiance, so I offered to bake for her. That's my good friend, Mr. Christian. Okay. Okay, I think it will be time to flip, Mr. P. No pressure, les enfants. We want to flip this puppy. Oops, that didn't go well, did it? It did not go well. It's too sticky. Yeah, there's no way that would have flipped. So, okay, what am I gonna do with it? There's no way I can flip it. I can flip it. It's too sticky. Okay, folks, I'm not sure if I can film this. Ooh. Man, I thought I reduced that thing, but look, slightly burned, and with the design of the pan on there. Actually, that's a good idea for something. You could put your own motif there on the crepe. This looks like is that a miniature Africa of some sort? I don't know. Okay, so what did we learn here? Definitely do not burn these crepes. So I'm gonna put a little bit more butter for the next one and leave my stove at that reduced level. Okay, back to this degustation. No, so how are they crusty? To be honest with you, they're crusty. I'm not used to having them like that. So, bon appetit again. Oh. Okay. What's going on here? I have my water. At least today, I will not be dehydrated. I've been drinking water, that is. Thank you. Okay. Whew, it's hot in there in that kitchen. So it's a tiny kitchen. It's literally, actually the walking surface is less than 2 meters by 2 meters. Kid you know. Okay. Okay, so it looks as if my mixture is quite good. I do not need to make any adjustment. I like it the way it is. So, I mean the consistency. If you want to make them thicker, you can add a little bit more of your farine, or but I mean, as of now, really, my main concern is to master this recalcitrant pan and the temperature. So this one, I think we can flip it, I think. Is it moving? Yep, which is moving, so I think we can flip this one to show you the not so burnt side. Voila, les amis. Sorry for the camera action. There's no way that I can direct the camera and the other thing. So this is it. So thank you very much, and we will show the final product a little bit later. Bye bye.